Good morning, Larissa. This is Wade from Toyota of Gladstone. Just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you the 2017 Toyota Yaris IA. Now, this vehicle only has 15,000 miles on it right now and is in super good condition. One owner, perfect Carfax, certified to 100,000 miles. Automatic transmission, 7-inch touchscreen display, AM, FM, Bluetooth, backup camera, USB. And on top of this one, just to throw it out there to you, we actually have a blue, red, and another blue one right over here. We have 3 2016 Toyota Yaris IAs available. If you have any questions, need any information, please let me know. We have tons of options and I would love to help you get a great deal. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.